Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Simplify with Reshma. So today I'm going to teach you basic arithmetic operations on rational numbers. Okay, that is addition and subtraction of rational numbers. So we'll see example 1.10. Add minus 6 by 11, 8 by 11 and minus 12 by 11. So how will you add? Okay. So first one is minus 6 by 11, 8 by 11 and minus 12 by 11. So this is add. So it is minus 6 by 11. Add means addition, 8 by 11, addition minus 12 by 11. Okay. Now you see here the denominators now. Okay, always you have to see the denominators. Denominators are same. So we can write as 11 here. Okay, common. Next minus 6 plus 8. And what happens? Plus into minus is minus 12. Okay. You know the basic no, minus into minus is equal to plus. Plus into minus is equals to minus. Minus into minus is equals to plus, and minus into plus is equal to minus. So these are the basic signs of multiplications. Okay, so plus into minus, the difference. Okay, plus into minus is equals to minus. So minus 12. Now what happens in this? See the same sign will add. Okay, minus 6 and minus 12 we have to add. What happens? Minus 6 minus 12, it becomes minus 18. Okay, minus 18 plus 8 by 11. Okay, now there are different sign. Okay, so it is different sign, we have to subtract. Okay, and subtract and have to put the greatest number sign. Okay, the greatest number is 18 here, so we have to mention sign minus. Okay, now you subtract 18 minus 8 is 10. So minus 10 by 11 is the answer. Okay friends, did you understand here? Now see what happens if the denominators are different. Okay, so example 1.11, add minus 5 by 9 comma minus 4 by 3 comma 7 by 12. If the denominators are different, so we have to take LCM. So first you put minus 5 by 9 plus, okay, minus 4 by 3 plus 7 by 12 because it has given addition. Okay, now you see here there are different signs here, so we have to multiply. Plus into minus, minus 4 by 3 plus 7 by 12. So take the LCM, 9, 3, 12. Okay, in 3 tables, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. Okay, now in 3 tables, 1, 1, 4, and in 4 table 1 comma 1 comma 1. Okay, 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36. So LCM is equal to 36. Now get 36 in every rational number. So minus 5 by 9 means you have to multiply with 4 here and also with the numerator 36. So 3 into 12s are 36. Okay, after that 12 3s are 36. Okay, now after that you have to multiply 5 4s are 20. So minus 20 by 36 minus 4 2s are 8, 1s are 4. 48 by 36 plus 7 3s are 21 by 36. Okay, now the denominators are same, so put 36. Okay, common, and minus 20 minus 48 plus 21. Okay, now you see the same sign here. So same sign means put that same sign minus and you have to add these two. Okay, so 20 plus 48 is 68 plus 21 divided by 36. So it is different sign now, so you have to subtract and put the greatest sign value. Okay, which is greatest number? It is 68 is the greatest number, so you have to put the sign of that number. So minus and subtract 68 21, so 47. Minus 47 by 36 is the answer. Okay, now we'll move on to the example 1.12. So in example 1.12, you see, subtract, this is subtraction of rational numbers, subtract 9 by 17 from minus 12 by 17. So subtract, so from means you have to put this number first, okay, from, after from which comes numbers, you have to put that number first. So minus 12 by 17, subtraction, so we have to put subtract value, subtraction sign, and by 9 by 17, okay, you have to write this. Okay, now you see the denominators are same, put 17, minus 12 and minus 9. That is, you have the same sign, so you have to add but put the sign as a negative. So 12 plus 9, 12 plus 9 is 21 by 17. Okay friends, this is the answer. Now you move on to example 1.13. That is, it is in the mixed fraction. Now you have to subtract this one with this one. So from means you have to put this one first. So minus 4 5 by 22, subtraction, where now you have to subtract with minus 2 6 by 11. Okay, this is the question. So first we will solve this. 22 into 4 is 88. 88 plus 5 is 93. So minus 93. Okay, minus sign by 22. Minus of 11 twos are 22. 22 plus 6. 22 plus 6 is 28. So minus 28 by 11. Okay. Now you see you have two minus sign. So we have to minus into minus. What happened? Minus into minus, it becomes plus 28 by 11. Okay, you see now the denominators are different, so we have to make the same denominator. So now 11 twos are 22, so 22 is the LCM, multiply and divide it by 2. So what happens? Minus 93 by 22 plus 2 8s are 16, carry 1, 2 2s are 4, 5, 56 by 22. Okay, now the denominators are same, so we'll add now, subtract now. Minus 93 plus 56, so subtract, you get minus 37 by 22. Okay, this is the rational number we got, and the question is not in the rational number form, it is given in the mixed fraction form, so we have to write the answer also in that type. So divide 22 37, so 1s are 22, 1s are 22, balance is 5 and 1, so 15 is the balance. So how will you write here? Minus of, first what we have to write? Quotient, okay, then remainder, and after that divisor. Okay, next, this is the answer friends. Okay, we'll move on, just see this one. Okay, this is the answer. Next we'll move on to the example 1.14. So see, this is example 1.14, multiplication of the rational numbers. So first one, you see, minus 5 by 8 minus 5 by 8 into 7 by 3. Okay, you have to just multiply. Okay, so in this you should not see the denominators are same or not, you should not see that. It is just multiplications, you have to multiply, that's it. Okay, in the addition subtraction you have to see the denominator must be same, but in multiplication that is not. Okay, that you should not see that denominators are same or not, you have to just multiply it. Okay, 5 7s are 35, so minus 35 by 8 3s are 24 is the answer. Okay, this is a direct, you have to multiply. Next question is minus 6 by minus 11 into minus 4. Okay, you see here minus in the numerator and denominator, you can cancel it. Okay, it becomes 6 by 11 into minus 4. Okay, just multiply it. 6 4s are 24, so minus 24. Okay, this is really positive. Positive into negative, 1 negative. Divided by 11 is the answer. Okay. Now you move on to the division. Division is divide 7 by minus 8 by minus 3 by 4. This is a rational number division. Okay. Example 1.15. So dividing 7 by minus 8 by minus 3 by 4. So what happens when rational number division? In rational number division, 7 by minus 8. Okay. After that you have to whole divided by minus 3 by 4. So what happens? You can't divide like this. So you have to bring this one to the upper side. How will you bring? 7 by minus 8. into this, the denominator side, no, this become reciprocal when you bring it up. Okay, what happens? 4 by minus 3. Okay, it becomes reciprocal when you bring it up. Okay, so 7 by minus 8 by the whole divided by minus 3 by 4. What happens when this the denominator, we can't just divide like this, so we have to bring this up. When you bring the denominator up, no, you have to just put this multiplication sign and reciprocal this one to 4 by minus 3. Now what happens? You just have to multiply. 7 4s are 28 and 8 3s are 24. So minus into minus plus. Okay, it becomes positive. Now you see the both are in even numbers, we can divide. So 2 tables, 2. Okay, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, and 2 tables, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Okay, and also we get 14 by 12. It is also an even number, so 2 7s are 14 and 2 6s are 12. So 7 by 6 is the answer. Okay, the division formula. Okay, now we have seen like this. We see now word problems. Okay, see the word problems. Example 1.16. The sum of two rational numbers is 4 by 5. If one number is 2 by 15, then find the other. Okay, it has given. So in example 1.16, see what it is given. So first we have to write given. Given one number. Okay, one number is equals to 2 by 15. Okay, next they are given is sum of two rational numbers. Sum of two rational numbers is 4 by 5. So we have to find the another number. Sum means we have to find, sum means what? Addition of two rational numbers. So one of that rational numbers is given. We have to find the another rational number. And also they have given the answer, that is the addition of two rational number they have given. So we have to just assume that let the other number be x. Okay, let the other number be x. So what will happen? Sum of the two rational numbers means 2 plus 15. The one number it has given 2 plus 15 plus other rational number is x. We are keeping x is equals to 4 by 5. Okay, now you bring this one to here after equal side. So x will become 4 by 5. What happens? X value 4 by 5 minus what happens? This one when going to this side. Okay, minus, so it is positive, so when it goes in this to this side it becomes negative, so minus 2 by 15. So we can't subtract like this because the denominators are not same, so we have to take LCM. So 5 3s are 15. So what happens? 12 minus 2 by 15. Okay, 12 minus 2 is 10 by 15. Okay, now you just see this is a 5 tables, have upper and lower side. So you divide by 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. So 2 by 3. So x, the other rational number is 2 by 3. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, now see the example 1.17. So the product of the question given is the product of two rational numbers is minus 2 by 3. If one number is 3 by 7, find the other. It is same like that one, that question itself, and but here it is given product. There in that sum it is given sum. So just we have to assume now, let the other number be, okay, be x. So they have given what? The multiplication. Product means the multiplication of two rational number is minus 2 by 3. So one number they have given, that is 3 by 7 into the other number, and the answer is given is the product of two rational number is minus 2 by 3. So you have to write like this. This is the form they have given. Okay, that is multiplication of one number to the other number is given the answer. Product, that is product of two rational number is minus 2 by 3. One number they have given 3 by 7. We have to find the another number. So let the another number be x. We are assuming like this. Okay. Now what happens in this form? It is in addition. Okay. So this, when it goes there, it becomes minus 2 by 15. So you see here it is in the product form. So it is in the multiplication form. When it goes this side, no, it becomes reciprocal. Okay, what happens? Reciprocal. So x is equals to minus 2 by 3. When it goes there, it becomes 7 by 3. Okay, because here you have the sign into. Okay, when you have the sign addition or subtraction, you can just bring this one as a subtraction of that is negative. If it is negative, you can bring it as a positive. If it is positive, you can bring it as negative. But here in the multiplication type, if you want to bring this one to this side, it becomes reciprocal. Okay, you should not change the sign, you just have to reciprocal that number. So x is equals to minus 2 by 3, you have to write like this only, but this number becomes reciprocal 7 by 3. Okay, now what happens now? Multiply it. Minus 2 into 7, 14, minus 14 by 9 is the answer. So other rational number, the other rational number is minus 14 by 9. Okay friends, now move on to the next example sum. Example 1.18. You see, question, one roll of ribbon is 18.3 by 4 meter long. Okay, Sankari has 4 full rolls and 1/3 of another roll. Okay, how many meters of ribbon does Sankari have in total? So we have to find the number of meters. Okay, total number of meters. So you see they have given one roll of ribbon is this meter long. Okay, and they have how many rolls? They have 4 and 1/3 of roll. So what are given? We have to write it first. Okay, example 1.18. What are they have given? What are all they have given? You have to write it first. So one roll of ribbon is equal to 18.3 by 4 meter. Okay, now of Sankari have number of Sankari have how many rolls? 4, 1 by 3rd. Okay, number of rolls Sankari have is equals to 4, 1 by 3. So what you have to find? How many meters of ribbon? Okay, number of meters that Sankari have in total. So we have to just multiply this. Okay, number of meters, because one roll of ribbon is this much. So 4 1 by 3 of 4 1 by 3 of rolls, how many you will have? We have to just multiply this. Okay, 4 1 by 3 into 18 3 by 4. Okay, these are in mixed fraction. We just have to change into rational numbers. So 4 3s are 12, 12 1s are 12 plus 1, 13 by 3 into 4 into 18. 4 into 18 is 72, 72 plus 3 is 75 by 4. Okay, you have to just multiply this one. 13 into 75, you get 325 by 4. Okay, there in this question, see, you have seen everything they have given in the mixed fraction, so you have to just convert it into a mixed fraction. So how will you convert 325 to 4? Okay, 4 8s are 32. Okay, 0 5, 4 1s are 4, 1 balance. Okay, how will you write? 81 1 by 4. Okay, this one is the answer. So next question, we'll move on to next question. See example 1.19. Find the rational numbers that should be added and subtracted so that they will make the sum. This 3 1 by 2 plus 1 3 by 4 plus 2 3 by 8 to the nearest whole number. Okay, you have to find the rational numbers. If they are added and subtracted, okay, and they have to make the sum to the nearest number. So they have 3 steps here. Okay, in first step you have to just add these. Okay, you have to just add these sum they have given, and you have to find it out. After adding, you have to find it out to which rational numbers, to which whole number they lie. Okay, they are asking for whole number, so to which whole number that rational number lies. Okay, after finding that step, you have to find it out that whole number be added to which rational number they have to add it and subtract it. So there are 3 steps here. So first by step we'll do example 1.19. So they have given the sum 3 1 by 2 plus 1 3 by 4 plus 2 3 by 8. Okay, first what we have to do, you have to just add now. Okay, add and find it out to the nearest whole number. So first you find, so 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 7 by 2 plus 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 3 7 by 4 plus 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 3 19 by 8. Okay, all are in different denominators. You just see now 8 is the biggest one, so 8 is an LCM. So 4 2s are 8 and 2 4s are 8. Okay, 7 2s 2. Okay, 7 4s are 28 plus 14 plus 19 by 8. Okay, now you add all those things, you will get 61 by 8. Okay, how will you write 61 by 8? You have to find to which whole numbers, that is in the number line, to which whole number it lies. Okay, this 61 by 8, how will you find? You have to divide and see. Okay, divide, if you have to find, you just have to divide and see. 61, so 8 7s are 56. 56, so for 5 is the balance. So what will be the answer? 7 5 by 8. So to which whole number it lies? It lies between 7 and 8. So we found till here. So the first step we have to add this, and second step we have to find to which whole number it lies. It lies between 7 and 8. Okay, so you have to mention it, that is it, which it lies between the whole number 7 and 8. Okay, after writing this, what we have to find the rational numbers that should be added and subtracted, okay, to get this 7 and 8. So what is the question? 61 by 8 we found, no? So 61 by 8, what rational number we have to add to get 7, and what rational number we have to subtract to, we have to get 8. Okay, subtract or add. So you see now 8 is the 8 is 8 sevens. If you want to get 7, no? So you just see the denominator now. So 8 sevens are, what is 56? Okay, how will you get 56? If you subtract, okay, 5 by 8. Okay, if you subtract 5 by 8, you will get what? 61 minus 5 is 56. Okay, 56 by 8. So 8 7. Okay, you got this whole number 7. 8 in tables, 56 goes times 7 times, so you got 7, no? So this rational number, if you have to subtract, you will get 7. Okay, likewise, what rational number if you add, you will get 8. If you add, so in 8 tables, how many times? 8 8s are 64. Okay, so 1 3, if you 3 add 3, you will get 64. 64 means 61 plus 63, 64 by 8. So you have to add 3 by 8 to this rational number, you will get 64 by 8. Now you divide, 8 1s are 8, 8 8s are 64. You got, see, you get 7 here. If you subtract 5 by 8, if you add 3 by 8, then you will get 8. So this question they have asked for, find the rational number that should be added and subtracted, so they will be make the sum to the nearest whole number. So we have to just add this one and find it out to which whole number they lie. So they lie between 7 and 8. Now you have to find it out how to which rational number if you subtract you get 7, to which rational number if you add you get 8. So the answer you have to give and be, if we subtract 5 by 8, you get 7 whole number. Okay, and if we add 3 by 8, we get, okay, 8 whole number. Understand? This is the answer. Okay, now we'll move on to the example 1.20. Okay, a student, instead of multiplying a number by 8 by 9, by mistake divided it by 8 by 9. Okay, if the difference between the correct answer and the answer got by him is 34, then find the number. That is, a student she has to multiply. Okay, multiply one number. Let be the number be x. So she has to multiply that x by 8 by 9. Okay, by mistake what she did, she divided it by 8 by 9. So we have to just write it down. Okay, let the number be x. After that, what they have given, if the difference between the correct answer and the answer got by him, okay, the difference between the subtraction between these two, the answer is 34. Now find that number. Okay, what is that number? So let me do it. Let the number be, you have to just mention, let the number be x. What she did, she want to multiply. The student had to find what, 8x into 8 by 9 she has to do. Okay, what she did, she found, what she found x by 8 by 9. Okay, she found like this. Okay, so x by 8 by 9 means, what did they tell? If the denominator you have like this, means what it happens, x, this becomes reciprocal. Okay, what happens, 9 by 8. So what happens, x into 9, 9x by 8. Okay, this what happens, 8x by 9. So what they have given, the difference between these two. Okay, so 9x by 8 minus 8x by 9 is equals to 34 they have given. Okay, in the question they have given like this. Okay, so now what you have to do, see the denominators are not same, so we have to just multiply it by 9 and it by 8. So 9 nines are 81, x by 72 minus 8 8s are 64, x by 72 is equals to 34. Okay, now you see, so the denominators are same. Now you write 81x minus 64x divided by 72 is equals to 34. Okay, if now you have to subtract, 81 minus 64 is 17. 17x by 72 is equal to 34. Now you see, you have to just find out x. So keeping x here, now you bring this one to this side. What happens, if you want to bring this one to this side, it becomes reciprocal. So 72 by 17. Okay, now you just see in 17 table, 17 ones are 17, 17 twos are 34. Okay, you just divide. Now multiply, 2 into 72 is 144. So the x value, the value of x is 144. Okay, did you find it easy? So you see here, what the number be x, and you have to multiply these numbers, because the question they have given the multiplying a number by 8 by 9, by mistake she divided by 8 by 9. So you have to just multiply with the x and to the 8 by 9, and she found x by 8 by 9. So the difference between, that is subtraction, the difference between and the given answer is 34. So now you solve to find x. So if you find x, means you have to just reciprocal this one to this side and just have to solve it to get the x value. Okay, now we'll move on to the next sum. The next sum is, okay, the next is example sum is 1.21. Simplify 4 by 3 minus of minus 3 by 2. Okay, bracket plus minus 5 by 3 divide 30 by 12. Okay, plus minus 12 by 9 into minus 27 by 16. This is very important question, friends. Okay, that's so you just understand this very well. Okay, you first see this one bracket 4 by 3. Okay, now you see minus and minus sign, so minus into minus it becomes plus. Okay, plus 3 by 2. Okay, now next step here, if you come, minus 5 by 3 you put, so it is division. Division means divided. So what it becomes? It becomes reciprocal. Into, put into sign and reciprocal this one. Okay, that is 12 by 30. After that, put plus sign and this one. This one you have to just multiply. So you can see, if you want to multiply, you just see this one. Now we can divide, it is divisible. Okay, both the sides. So in 3 tables, 3 3s are 9, 3 9s are 27. Okay, in 3 tables, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Here also in 2 tables, 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. So you write now minus 3 into minus 3 by 4. Okay, what we have balance here. Okay, so now next step we move on. So we can't add like this because the denominators are not same, so we have to make it same to add. Okay, you have to multiply and divide it by 3 and multiply and divided by 2. So what happens? 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 3s are 9 by 3 2s are 6. So denominators are same now. Okay, plus now you also see here also it can be divisible. 4 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12 and 5 1s are 5, 5 6 are 30. So what are the balance? Minus 4 by 6. Okay, that is 1 4s are 4, 1 6 are 6. Okay, now these are the balance. So plus just do step by step. What you know, just you do step by step. Now what happens here? So minus into minus, what happens? Plus 3 3s are 9 by 4. Okay, so add it now. This 8 plus 9, 17 by 6. Okay, now what happens? See, a plus here minus. Okay, plus into minus, minus 4 by 6. Okay, plus into plus, it becomes plus 9 by 4. Okay, here also denominators are not same, so make the denominator same. So 6 comma 4, so 6 comma 4, 2 table, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 3 1 2 2 1 1. So what 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So 12 is the LCM. So LCM is 12. So mention here. Now to make 12, multiply and divide by 2 and here multiply and divided by 3. Okay, 17 2s are 34 by 12 minus 4 2s are 8 by 12 plus 7 3 9 3s are 27 by 12. Okay, just now put common 34 minus 8 plus 27. Okay, you see here these are in positive sign, so add now 34 plus 27. Okay, while you add 34 plus 27, what it becomes? So it becomes 61. Okay, 61 minus 8 by 12. So what will be happen? 61 minus 8 is 53 by 12. So it is not divisible, okay, in any other table. So this is the answer. So I have covered all the examples before going to the exercise 1.2. So I have covered all the examples. So let's see the exercise 1.2 in the next class. So till then, if you understand my classes, so please subscribe my channel, friends. Okay, goodbye. Meet you soon.